guys, this is Katie with the channel Weather Shaman. Welcome if you're new, and a big hello to my returning subscribers. Right now I am outside in the middle of a beautiful bamboo forest, and there is a wonderful waterfall behind me. You can probably hear the water falling peacefully. It is so beautiful and so therapeutic. You can see the stream trickling down, i.e. the ripple effect. Anything we do or anything that we share with another has a rippling effect on the collective consciousness. So if you feel guided to share anything, such as your experience, strength, and hope, just know that'll trickle down and help not just one person, but many people. The more that we share our experience and strength and hope, or our experiences in life, any obstacles that we've overcome, or any new discoveries, it's important that we share them with one another, so that we can all grow together as one to create a new, better, more loving, harmonious earth. We are all striving for the same goals on a fundamental level: love, happiness, equality, and a more harmonious, simple, easygoing, down-to-earth way of life. Be the change you wish to see on this earth, like Gandhi would say. We need to learn to embody the changes we wish to see on this earth. If there's something that we see that displeases us, we need to figure out what it is we can do, what actions we can take to help better ourselves, and thus in turn better others in our everyday reality or external reality, which then ripples outward to a bigger crowd, a bigger collective, and then eventually makes a dent in the entire collective consciousness globally. The flower of life, a beautiful sacred geometric pattern, is an invisible netting that connects us all of us as one. All of our consciousnesses that we embody together as a collective is all interconnected into one global stream of information. Imagine as if we are all our individual computers. Imagine as if you're a computer, I'm a computer, your friend's a computer, your family is a computer, and then imagine all of these computers connecting with one another as if it's a spider web. And then picture every single person who owns a computer connecting globally. That's what we're doing. And telepathy or telepathy is a wonderful concept. It is real, it is true. We all have antennas, and we can all stream information from one person to the next by just visualizing the person we want to send information to in a focused way. And then imagine that information or consciousness streaming outward from our third eye to the person we're trying to send it to's third eye. We are all transmitters and receivers of information, if you will. Transmitter means transmit or to transfer out information, and receiver is somebody who receives that information that's been transmitted out. So what is it that you wish to transmit outward to other people? What information do you wish to share with others or the world? Really envision yourself embodying these beautiful concepts, and how can you share this with others? How can you expand the global collective consciousness? We each have a unique stream of consciousness flowing into us continuously from the divine. The more we share, the better the world will become. For each one of us has a unique stream of information that we all need to share. We all have a duty of sharing, because we can't assume that we know everything that our neighbor knows. We all have pieces to the overall puzzle. We all are going to be able to help each other solve that big puzzle, or puzzles, globally. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have anything you want to put in the comment section below, please do. Anything that you wish to share that's on your mind, concepts, ideas, things you wish to see changed in the world for the better. We can start a discussion if you like. That would be so awesome. Sending you an abundance of peace, love, and light from me to you. Namaste.